Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is all. So what all method will do, it will check the argument, and if it contains all the element as true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So in short, you can say that it checks if it finds all the value true, then it will return the true as the output, otherwise it will return the false. Okay. So here I have noted down few scenarios. One by one we will discuss each scenario and we'll see the output as well. So look at the first scenario. Here what we are doing, we are storing one list, and inside a list we have stored three elements and all three elements are true. So when we try to verify the same thing with all method, it will take the argument as values and then it will check for each element, and when it finds that everything is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's see the output. For that I will run python space session 58.py, and when I hit enter, it returns for the first scenario it is returning true, which is correct because it contains only true values. Now look at the second scenario. Here we are storing the data but inside a tuple, and each element, some of the element is true and one element is false. Okay, so in that case it is returning false as an output, because if any of the element is false, then it will return false. Now look at the third scenario. Here we are using set and we have three elements stored here, so it will check, and as these are considered as true, so it is returning true. Now look at the fourth scenario. Here we are using dictionary. For a dictionary we are storing data in key value pair, but you can see for some value it is returning true, but for some it is returning false. Okay, so if any of the element is returning false, that's why it is returning false as an output. Now look at the fifth scenario. Here we are storing normal string as a hello, and when we are checking it with all function, it is returning true because it is also a true value. Same thing we can check with blank string also, like if you are passing any blank string, still it will return true because blank is also considered as a true value. Okay, so these are the some common scenario we usually use with all method. So with this example, it is clear that we can pass anything as an argument, whether it is list, tuple, set, dictionary, normal string, blank string as an argument, and it will check if each element of your argument is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.